In the next video, let's have a look at Constraint Orbit. This orbit gives us the ability to be able to move around the model without selecting any keys on the keyboard. To activate the Constraint Orbit, I will select View, Constraint Orbit. Notice the following. I get a dialog box with information on and the sphere, which is divided into 4 quadrants. From the dialog box, we can see the 4 options we can select. When we click and drag inside the circle, it will be a free orbit. If we click and drag outside the circle, it will be a roll view. Horizontal arrows will give us an orbit about the WCS in the Z-axis. When I click and drag the vertical points, it will be a tilt view. Let's look at a practical example. When I click and drag from within the sphere, you can see how the model rotates. And I do not need to keep within the sphere, I can move completely out for a total rotation. However, if I click and drag from outside the sphere, I get a roll view. Should I click and drag any of the horizontal arrows, I will get an orbit around the world coordinate system about the Z-axis. Should I do this with the 2 vertical arrows, I will get the following. I will get a tilt view. I will demonstrate. Notice that even if I move my cursor in a horizontal direction in relation with the screen, my model remains in a tilt angle. Please experiment with this new function to master it. And here's a tip. Map the Constraint Orbit to a keyboard shortcut for even faster performance. If you're not sure how to do it, please refer to this section of this video for keyboard shortcuts.